Join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our
In the deep blue ocean where the waves crash lives a happy little shark named Sharky Splash. He flips his fins and dives down low, then leaps through the water with a bubbly glow. Sharky splash, 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 swim through the sea in a happy dash. Twist and turn, spin all around, make a splash that shakes the sea and ground. He races the dolphins, he zooms past fish. Chasing the bubbles is his favorite wish. The turtles swim along in a playful line, joining Sharky in his splashy time. Sharky splash, flap your fins, spin and twirl as the fun begins. Jump through the waves, dive down deep, flip and splash with a leap and a sweep. The crabs tap claws and the seahorses sway, all join Sharky in a bubbly ballet. Even the little fish wiggle with cheer, celebrating Sharky, their friend so dear. Sharky splash, 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 swish through the water in a joyful dash. Spin, twirl, jump and glide, splash with your friends, swim with pride. When the sun sets low and the ocean gleams, Sharky rests and dreams of streams, waiting to leap and splash some more for another fun day in the ocean floor. Sharky splash, rest tonight, wake in the morning to swim with delight. Swim